It is not just going to be a simple OpenClaw and Gmail integration. It is going to show you a real AI assistant power here. We will be setting up here OpenClaw integration with the Himalaya skill. I'll be also showing you how you can create the Gmail application, basically the app password in your Google account so that you can connect it with your OpenClaw. And most important thing in this particular lesson is going to be everything is free here. I have consumed here, let me just show you, more than 53 million token and everything is in free of cost. If you also want to know how you can do all these setup, I have a complete playlist which covers free OpenClaw setup and install. Link for this playlist is given in the video description. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the OpenClaw and Gmail setup. First of all, you need to come to this address, myaccount.google.com, app passwords. Before you come here, you need to make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication in your Gmail. Otherwise, this will not work. So we are going to create here one application, and that application password is going to be used by the OpenClaw. I just create here application OpenClaw. Thereafter, it is going to show you here a password. This password will be used to set up our application, basically our Gmail with the OpenClaw. Keep this password. Thereafter, you need to come here at the OpenClaw dashboard. Then you need to just simply ask your OpenClaw to set up the Himalaya skill. So Himalaya skill comes from the OpenClaw skill set itself. So this Himalaya skill is used for the IMAP and SMTP email setup, which can list your email, read it, search it, compose, reply, forward, copy. Basically, there is so much. Basically, you can handle your Gmail with the OpenClaw itself. All right, then you come back here in OpenClaw dashboard. You just simply write here a simple prompt. Set up the Himalaya email skill for my OpenClaw agent using the Gmail IMAP SMTP. First, ask me for the required Gmail credentials and settings one by one. Let's run this. Now it is going to execute this. In meantime, I should tell you the API service which I'm currently using, it is completely free of cost. I have consumed here more than 50 million, almost 50 millions token recently, but overall spent is zero here. It's a just simple, API which I'm using from the open router. Let's come back here. Now it is going to take a little bit time. So it is going to need first of all my Gmail address which it need to set up. So I'm going to provide here kgptalkie@gmail.com. This is the Gmail address which I use for KGP Talkie Gmail. It's not the official one. Let's run this. Now it is going to ask about the password. So here is the password which we created earlier. Let's copy this password from here and then come back here and paste this password. Thereafter, it is going to take this password and your Gmail account, and then it is going to finally set up the Himalaya skill for you. Thereafter, we will be able to access this email. Currently, this email don't have a very confidential data, so I'm able to show you here because this is just a spare email which I use for my videos. So I'll be showing you here some sample how you can handle your email. Thereafter, you can just use the OpenClaw as a standalone agent to handle your email services. So I'm going to say that I'm using here only the default services. I'm using only default settings. Go ahead with the setup. Gmail reading setup is complete. IMAP is working successfully. SMTP sending test may fail because of the TLS certificate issue on some Windows build. This is not a Gmail credential issue. For production email sending, run the same setup inside the WSL, Linux, or a Mac OS. There could be a TLS validation issue in some Windows machine. Seems like my Windows machine is not supporting the TLS certificate validation. But overall setup is completed here. And then finally, OpenClaw is asking about the permission. It want to make this skill live. Let's go ahead and give this permission. Apply the skill proposal and make it live skill. Keep it read only for now because IMAP is working, but SMTP has Windows TLS certificate issue. So this certificate issue is currently on my Windows only. Maybe it is not on your machine, so it might work. Let me know in the comment if it is working or if it is not working in your machine. It is going to ask about the approval, skill approval basically. So you need to approve it. I'm going to just allow it once. So what happened in my case actually, when I was talking to you at that time, it has asked me, but at that time I did not provide here approval. So thereafter I had to ask it again so that I can approve it. All right, so this skill is applied here. Now, one thing I wanted to share with you here, most people connect Gmail with the AI and only thinks about the reading the emails. That's all. But the real power is not just the reading. OpenClaw can understand your email. It can manage your emails. It can prioritize your emails. You can ask questions related to your emails. For example, I'm going to show you here a live demo. For example, you can ask questions something like this. You are a Gmail productivity assistant. All right. Check my unread emails from last 7 days. Do these, and these. Let's go ahead and run it. Now, what it is going to do? It is going to read my email and then it is going to identify all urgent emails, all the emails which needs a reply, all emails which are related to the finance bill and the payment. Although I'm using here just a spare email where I don't have much of the important data, but suppose that if you are using a real email where you have all the data which I have asked here, you can get it at your fingertip. Just check it out. This is literally crazy. So my OpenClaw is able to read my email and it is able to analyze this and it is able to prioritize this. Do you see here? Here are the urgent emails. So these are the urgent emails. All right, verify this was you. This is coming for the security because I created the application for the OpenClaw integration. So that security email was sent by the Gmail itself. Thereafter, these are the email which needs a reply because there are some confirmation emails from Hugging Face and so on. Thereafter, learning course, student queries are there. All right. Thereafter, you have here, I mean, I don't have any finance or bills payment because this is not my primary email. But suppose that if it is your primary email, then you might be having all these details as well. There is no meeting scheduled. Again, it's not primary email. There is no draft. Seems like there is one draft actually. All right. So do you see here it is able to handle this email? And it is not just limited to this dashboard, what you are currently seeing. What I can do here, I can ask this question from other applications as well. I had integrated Discord and Telegram with the OpenClaw as well. Now I can ask the same question or other question, let's say related to the Gmail from the Discord bot as well. This Discord bot is connected with my Gmail. Now it is going to use those Gmail credentials. Basically, OpenClaw is going to use the Gmail credentials, not the Discord. So OpenClaw is going to use those Gmail credentials and then it is going to analyze and then it is going to send me the details here. That means through the mobile itself, I can ask my OpenClaw to do the full analysis of my Gmail. All right. Now you see here, we have got the response and here is a complete email summary. Payment and invoice related emails are here. Thereafter, you have here some student course related emails. Thereafter, so many stuff. Basically, whatever we wanted, everything we have here. All right, guys. That's it for this video. Now you have your Gmail connected with the OpenClaw. Now you can use the OpenClaw as a real AI assistant with your Gmail inbox. You can analyze your Gmail. You can find out the missed business opportunity or whatever your niche or whatever your business is. You can use this OpenClaw Gmail assistant with your email services. If you are looking about the integration of OpenClaw with WhatsApp, with the Discord, and so on, I have here a free OpenClaw tutorial on KGP Talkie. The link for this playlist is given in the video description. And please don't forget to subscribe the KGP Talkie channel so that you can get the latest update whenever I publish latest videos on the OpenClaw and the generative AI. Alright guys, bye bye, take care.